Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I will guide you on how you can use the moving average and the RSI together. Basically, we will be combining two indicators. The first one is the moving average and the second one is the RSI. If you haven't watched our previous videos, I highly recommend checking them out first so that you can understand this strategy better. So, let's get started. I have already shared the settings for both the moving average and the RSI in our previous videos, so make sure to check them out. Now let's see how you can combine both indicators. I have already explained how the moving average works. When the candle touches the moving average, you can look for a reversal trade. I also explained how the RSI works. When the RSI reaches the 70 level or the 30 level, you can also look for a reversal trade. But when you combine both indicators, the strategy becomes even more effective. When the candle touches the moving average and at the same time the RSI line touches the 50 level, you can look for a reversal trade. In this strategy, we are using the 50 level of the RSI instead of the 70 and 30 levels. Let me show you an example. Here you can see that the candle touched the moving average and at the same time the RSI line touched the 50 level. After that, you can see a reversal. This is exactly the type of setup we are looking for. Now let me share a live example. Here I found a trade and I placed an upside trade because the candle touched the moving average and the RSI line also touched near the 50 level. That's why I decided to place a buy trade. Let's see what happens. Alright, the candle has already closed as a green candle, which means our strategy worked. However, we entered the trade a little late, so the trade was still running. Now there are just a few seconds left, and yes, we won the trade. As you can see, we won the trade, and both the moving average and the RSI worked perfectly together. So whenever the candle touches or closes near the moving average and at the same time the RSI line touches the 50 level, you can look for a reversal trade. This is how you can combine both indicators to achieve better accuracy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, topics, or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. All the links are available in the description, so make sure to check them out. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.